Okay, I'm going to show you how to access the oil pump shaft and the upper shaft to the distributor, and this little spring that you have to remove in the valve area. So I've already loosened the lock nut on the distributor, pull it off, and you press down and watch your face to remove the spring. This little cap holds the shafts together. So you would take this little cap off, and now mine was stuck in very hard, and I had to pry it up, and I pried up against it carefully, and finally this came out, and it's into the cam gear, so you have to sort of turn it as it's coming out. But then it was like very difficult to get it out of the chamber there. So I had already taken this out and cleaned it up. So I just wanted to show how it goes back together. So this drops down, and it should engage into the camshaft here. And this little guy has to go down just right. I don't know if you can see it. There's a slot in the collar right there, and it's lined up with this pin right here. So you have to get them lined up. Then it just kind of sits down in there. And then your connector goes right there. And then the spring goes on. And this is a different spring. You get better at it though. There's a little groove that it sits in. Once you get it in the right spot, you could tell it's countersunk right there. And once you get it in that, should be able to drop your distributor down in there. Boom, just like that. And then you tighten your distributor back down. And then once the oil pan's on, you would loosen this and let the oil pump sit on the spring in the bottom of the pan, so it can just float and not be so rigid. All right, thought you'd want to see that because it's a little bit difficult. All right, everybody, take care.